Another day, another story. Welcome back to our channel for our comprehensive guide on the student visa, Subclass 500, in Australia. In this video, we will walk you through the process, requirements, and important information about the visa. And there are few other student visas in Australia which we'll see in the future videos. So, let's get started. Section 1. Withdrawing other visa applications. If you have lodged any other undecided visa applications, it is recommended to consider withdrawing them once you have obtained your student visa, Subclass 500. To withdraw a visa application, you must inform us in writing about your decision. Section 2. Traveling to Australia. Before you leave for Australia, make sure to check your travel documents. You must have a valid visa, a valid passport or travel document. At the border, you will need to complete an incoming passenger card, which you will receive on board. Moreover, to expedite your exit from the airport, Australia offers an automated process called Smart Gate, which utilizes facial recognition technology and e-passport. Utilizing Smart Gate can help you leave the airport faster. Section 3. What you can do in Australia. When you have the student visa, Subclass 500, you are eligible to participate in an eligible course of study in Australia. Additionally, you can travel in and out of Australia freely. As a temporary measure, there are currently no restrictions on the number of hours you can work in any sector. Remember, it is crucial for you and your family members to meet all visa conditions and abide by Australian laws. To view your specific conditions, work entitlements, and study permissions, refer to your visa grant letter or use the Visa Entitlement Verification Online (VEVO) service. Section 4. Visa duration and extensions. The student visa, Subclass 500, is a temporary visa. You can stay in Australia until the date specified by us, which depends on the type and length of your course. To determine your departure date, use VEVO. If you wish to stay longer in Australia for further studies, you must apply for a new student visa. Alternatively, if you want to extend your stay without studying, you will need to apply for a different visa. Explore the available options to find the one that suits your circumstances. Section 5. Visa expiry and graduation. In the event that your student visa expires before your graduation, you may be eligible to apply for another visa that aligns with your circumstances, such as a visitor visa. To support your application, you will need a letter from your education provider stating the date of your graduation. Section 6. Traveling on your visa. While holding the student visa, Subclass 500, you can travel outside Australia and return as many times as you want within the visa's validity period. It's important to note that the time spent outside Australia does not extend the visa duration. To verify your travel conditions, refer to VEVO. Section 7. Proving your visa status. To prove that you hold a valid visa and demonstrate your visa conditions to relevant parties, you can use VEVO. This online service allows you to access and provide evidence of your visa status whenever required. Section 8. Working on the student visa. At present, there are no restrictions on work for international students in Australia. This means that you can work before your course commences and even exceed the standard limit of 40 hours per fortnight in any sector. However, make sure to stay updated with any changes to visa conditions, including work rights. VEVO can provide detailed information on the visa conditions related to your work situation. Section 9. Bringing family members. You have the option to include your family members in your student visa, Subclass 500, application. Eligible family members include your spouse or de facto partner, and dependent children. To include them, you must declare their details in your visa application form. Family members included in your visa application will have the same visa conditions as you. They will be able to live, work, and study in Australia for the duration of your visa. They can also accompany you when you travel in and out of the country. Section 10. Health insurance. As an international student in Australia, it is a visa requirement to maintain adequate health insurance coverage throughout your stay. The Overseas Student Health Cover, OSHC, provides access to medical and hospital services. Make sure to arrange OSHC before you arrive in Australia. Your education provider may have partnerships with specific OSHC providers, but you are free to choose any approved provider that meets the visa requirements. Keep your health insurance valid and ensure it covers you and your family members throughout your stay in Australia. Section 11. Changing education providers. If you wish to change your education provider while on the student visa, Subclass 500, you must notify the Department of Home Affairs. This requirement ensures that you continue to meet the visa conditions. Failure to do so may result in visa cancellation. Before changing providers, ensure that your new education provider is registered and eligible to enroll international students. It's important to consider the implications of changing providers on your course progression, visa validity, and any financial obligations you may have with your previous provider. Section 12. Compliance with visa conditions. To maintain your visa status, it is essential to comply with all visa conditions imposed on the student visa, Subclass 500. These conditions may include attending your course, maintaining satisfactory academic progress, and notifying your education provider of any changes in your circumstances. Additionally, you must inform the Department of Home Affairs about any changes in your personal details, such as your address or contact information, within 7 days of the change. Compliance with visa conditions is crucial to avoid any adverse impact on your visa and future immigration applications. Congratulations! You have reached the end of our guide on the student visa, Subclass 500, in Australia. We hope this information has been helpful to you. Remember, the student visa allows you to study, work, and enjoy your time in Australia. Make the most of your experience while complying with the visa requirements. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as legal advice. If you found this video is informative and engaging, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates. We're committed to bringing you the latest news and analysis on compelling stories like this. Your support means a lot to us, and we'd love to have you as part of our community. Join us on this journey of exploration and stay informed. Subscribe now. Disclaimer: visa requirements and conditions may change over time, so it's important to consult official government sources or seek professional assistance for the latest and most accurate information regarding your specific situation. For more info, visit Home Affairs website. Thanks for watching.